Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Eval to 10K a month, part two, day number two. I'm sorry, I didn't. This is not actually day number two. I did trade one day without recording just because I forgot. Um, shit. Well, but yeah. Anyways, so today, Monday, right? We got a no news Monday. And so obviously I'm not in a rush to take any trades, but we are pretty bearish right now. So as you can see, this is my daily buys for the day. By the way, it's 9:23 a.m. So we're about 7 minutes from market open. Did TradingView change the font or am I tripping? The fuck? Looks like TradingView changed like the font of the numbers. Anyways, yeah, so as you can see on the daily chart, we have inverse this daily fair value gap over here. We had a bullish fair value gap and we have inversed it to the downside, right? So that means for me that I am gonna be bearish, right? Bearish until where? Bearish, what's my target, right? So obviously we have this daily fair value gap over here. That's a pretty strong, bro, I'm not tripping. They changed the font of the fucking numbers, bro. Like, I'm not tripping. They changed the font. Jesus. Um, this is great, by the way. Holy shit. Yeah. So, anyways, we inverse the daily fair value gap to the downside. So what's my draw, right? First of all, my short-term draw, we have previous daily low. Bro, they changed the font. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm not tripping. Anyways, yeah, so after inversing the daily for value gap to the downside, my next draw is this previous daily low. Now, this is a short-term draw, right? I think that I have a pretty high. I'm actually super confident in previous daily low being taken. We're so close to it. We inverse the daily for value up to the downside. If we take a look at the whole like overnight session, wait, am I recording? Just so make sure. Yeah. Okay. So as you look at the overnight session, Asia highs. Asia was sponsored, right? We have this 15-minute for value gap. So Asia was sponsored, and then London kept going down and just displaced lower. Um, so the actual draw. Oh, wait, let's see. Maybe ES took it. If ES took that, yeah. So ES actually took previous daily low. So we have an SMT at the down at the lows, um, which is interesting actually. But I still expect NQ to take that low. I still expect NQ to take previous daily low. Um, yeah. So actually, there are like two bullish SMTs, which is kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Um, oh, we actually have another. Yeah, so we have a few bullish SMTs at the lows. Whoa. But still, I am expecting price to be bearish, right? I'm still expecting price to go lower. Let's take a look at ES. So ES actually tapped the daily fair value gap, a daily fair value gap at least. So ES is kind of annoying. So honestly, I'm gonna try because I'm right now on evals, right? Because I'm on eval, I don't need to be waiting for like A plus setups, right? For me, from my experience, when you're in the eval phase of your journey, you gotta pass those evals as fast as possible. Like you don't wanna be stuck on an eval for more than 2 weeks, right? There's no reason at all that you should be there's no reason at all you should be taking more than a month to pass an eval. Like it doesn't make any sense. So just I'm not saying take stupid trades. I'm not saying be a gambler, but I am saying be more aggressive with your entries, be more aggressive with your trades. Don't be scared to take losses. It doesn't matter. Not only it's fake money, but you're only losing 50 bucks, right? I'm on Top Step, for example. And they even had like a discount. And they even have like a discount right now for like 25%, so it's 40 bucks. Worst case scenario, bro, I fucking blow 40 bucks, right? We all got 40 bucks. And if you don't, you shouldn't be trading. You should go get a job, you know? um, but yeah, anyways, enough yapping. I'm bearish, right? But yeah, so I'm bearish for market open. I do want to see previous daily low get taken out, even though there is an SMT. I still want to see it get taken out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When we do take previous daily low, I want to see if we are getting a sweep and we're starting to go higher, right? Probably what will happen is that once we will sweep previous daily low, in 30 minutes, we open a new 4-hour bearish gap. So we might actually be taking longs towards that 4-hour unfilled gap, right? So that's like, you see how I'm already like building a narrative, building a picture for the session. So pretty much, as you can see, in 31 minutes, we will open a brand new unfilled 4-hour bearish gap, right? So I'm already thinking ahead by, okay, if we sweep previous daily low and we start getting displacement to the upside, I will be willing to take longs towards that unfilled 4-hour bearish gap, right? So I'm already like anticipating how the market's gonna move and what trades I'm going to take based on what PD rays I'm going to take them off. You understand like how I'm building the picture before the session even started, right? So right now we are holding this 15-minute bearish gap. Um, so yeah, if we start inversing, like for example, if this 15-minute candle, sorry, the next one will inverse this to the upside, I might not actually see previous daily low get taken because we have an SMT there. But anyways, sweep of previous daily low and my confident draw, like my actual preferred draw, would be lower towards the sell side because as you can see, there's no 4-hour gap to hold us. There's no hourly gap to hold us, right? We inverse the daily, we inverse the hourly, we inverse the 4-hour. There are no gaps to keep us from going lower, right? The only thing that will stop us from going lower is potentially a sweep of previous daily low, and from there, it's gonna go higher. But if we start seeing displacement lower, then it's gonna be a whole different situation. But market opens right now, so let's see what price wants to do. Probably gonna manipulate higher and then go lower towards previous daily low. Yeah, actually perfect. Now, what I'm looking to see is whether, so first of all, do we have an SMT? We do have an SMT. Did NQ take it? Yeah, NQ took it. Right, so we have an SMT here. You know what? Let me actually fucking go top step X. Right. So, on episode 1, on day number 1, I actually took a trade. I took a loss, right? I lost $500. But then last Friday, I took a banger win of 1.1K. So, unfortunately, I did not record it, but I will upload a trade recap on that trade. So, let's see if the SMT still holds. Holy shit. NQ is pumping. We still have the SMT though, so we're still good. But holy shit, ES. Look at how ES looks. Holy shit. Looks so bad. What is this barcode PA? Yeah, we're just gonna pump higher. This SMT is not gonna hold. Like we have two SMTs at the lows. So we might actually not be bearish, which is kind of weird. But yeah, anyways, let's see if there are any gaps. Yeah, so what I will be waiting for is a tap of this hourly gap. And this is if we don't take previous daily low, right? So if we take previous daily low, I will be expecting a move higher. But until we don't take previous daily low, I'm still expecting the draw to be previous daily low, right? I don't think the SMTs really matter. But that's just because NQ inverse the daily to the downside. But we do have you know, as you can see over here, we have a bullish SMT previous daily low. So technically, price should not be trading back to previous daily low. But I'm still confident in it. I'm still confident that we're gonna hit previous daily low. That's what I'm saying. All right, yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when I see something interesting. Right, so we got a tap of this hourly gap, right? We got a tap of the hourly gap. And I will be looking to take a short. All right, so if we get this inverse, I'm gonna take a short towards previous daily low. Let's see if I got an SMT or something. Yeah, we got a SMT, internal SMT. My stop will go over here. And yeah, I will be taking this 1 minute inversion, right? So let's just wait for the inversion if we actually get it. And if we do, I'm in. But it looks like it's rejecting it for now. We don't have a 3 minute, we don't have a 2 minute. Yeah, so it's only this 1 minute. Yeah, so it still did not inverse this. In terms of target, yeah, it's not this one, sorry, it's this one. August 15th. All right. But I'm gonna be taking this to like a 1, 2, 2. All right, let's just wait that this will inverse. Super obvious. We tapped it hourly. We have internal SMT. Bearish draw on liquidity. Good trade. Let's just make sure that we inverse. All right,
Order
I'm in.
filled.
All right, I'm in this. I entered the 1 mini. And yeah, let me turn off the executions. Short shot executions. All right. Holy reaction, bro. All right, well, this looks great. Looks really good. But yeah, that's why we have a stop in place. We have internal SMT. So, you know, we got the inversion, highest time frame inversion in the leg, you know. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. But overall, yeah, I mean, this was a good trade, especially for evals, you know. It's a no news Monday. That's true, but like I probably would not be trading this if this was a funded account, but this trade does look good. We got to tap into an hourly gap, internal SMT, drawing liquidity is lower, right? The only thing is actually, you know, we have the SMT at previous daily low. But because this is an eval account, I'm gonna ignore it and actually take the chance with this trade. But again, like I said, because it's an evaluation account, I am going to be risking. I'm basically gonna be more aggressive with my trades. As you can see over here, we have a 5 minute bullish for value gap as well at the internal low. So I will be moving my stop potentially to break even over here. But if I move my stop to break even on this 5 minute, I will get like stopped out at break even. Like 90%. But honestly, it kind of looks like we're gonna run higher. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna run higher. I'm not gonna lie to you. Did ES tap like the 5 minute or something? No, ES didn't even open in a 5 minute. Um, so the question is, do I go break even? I don't really want to go break even over here. Okay, that's a good push actually. I will be moving my stop to $100. Okay, so mitigating the loss. Just because we're right now we're very close. You know what? I'm actually gonna leave my stop like at the original place. This is an evaluation account. Um, hmm. This is interesting, because I really believe we're gonna go lower. I don't think this 5 minutes is gonna hold. Um, good push, good push, good push. One a little bit more, and I'm gonna go break even. All right, so I'm not gonna go break even. I am actually gonna put my stop like. This is the thing where on eval accounts, I don't like to go break even on evaluation accounts, but I don't wanna like blow through the account too fast. You know what I mean? Like I don't wanna be too stupid. I don't wanna be not moving stops to break even just because like, oh, it's an evaluation account, I'm gonna whatever, and I don't mind if I take like if I get stopped out. Um, this is actually a good push lower. We actually got a CISD over here as well. So this is a very good move for us. But yeah, I'm gonna let it run. I'm not gonna move my stop to break even now. Um, we are still inside this 5 minute gap actually. So I want this to actually inverse. If we inverse the 5 minute, it's gonna be very good for us. So we got one more minute till the 5 minute closure. I'm not moving my stop loss to break even yet. I know it's kind of riskier, but I don't mind. This is an eval, right? If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. The account will be back at break even, like at the starting point. Right now, we retested the CISD, and now I want to see us going lower. I don't want to see us going higher now. But I will go break even like at this low. If we get this low, I will go break even over here. That's for sure. Do we have any gaps? No, we don't have any gaps actually. So I will go break even at this low if we get it. And I hope to see this 5 minute get inverse. If we inverse the 5 minute, it's gonna be great for us, but we're holding it. Oh no, we inverse. Okay, we inverse the 5 minute. We should be running lower. We should absolutely be running lower right now. So hopefully we get a strong push now to the downside, so I can go break even as well and mitigate, our risk back to zero. It's normal that we get a retracement, but I really don't. Like price shouldn't be going higher right now. Like we inverse the 5 minute, price really shouldn't be going higher. I'm recording, right? Yep. So once we get that, yeah, let's get that push lower, guys. We got a CISD. We inverse the 5 minute to the downside. So, yeah, we should really be heading lower right now. We have this 1 minute gap over here. I'm expecting this to hold. We had a 1 minute CISD as well, 5 minute inverse. Like this should be running lower. This definitely should be running lower. Again, I'm not break even on this just because this is an eval. If this was a funded account trade, I would have already been break even. Once we hit that 5 minute gap, I would have went break even. But yeah, because this is an evaluation account right now, you know, I don't want to start closing down and choking my trade. I want to let the trade run. Um, but yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Um, but again, we shouldn't be going higher right now. We should really be respecting this 1 minute now, and go lower. So yeah, I'm just holding the trade. And let's see, let's see what's going on. All right, we're starting. We're actually getting the push right now. We're getting the push. We're getting the push. I'm mitigating my stop loss lower. Good job. Good job. All right, now I'm going break even. Now I'm not gonna waste. Now I'm not gonna lose money on this trade. You see, this is exactly why I don't go break even on evaluation accounts. You see, like, let's go, baby. Come on, come on, baby. That's fucking go. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Good fucking shit. Great trade, man. Come on. All right. I just needed to keep pushing lower. I don't want to get it. I don't want to see it get stuck. Like we have all this low resistance liquidity over here. I mean, this is not really low resistance liquidity, but I am expecting this to flush through. But you see, this is exactly why I don't go break even on fucking evals. You see, like I would have gotten stopped out at break even, and then it fucking went like you see when you have a trade that you believe in, like that you're very confident in, you shouldn't really be, like um right. So we have this actual like 5 minute order block over here. I really don't want to see price going back over here, but it's a possibility. Um like we're already up $800, but yeah, I want to see price just pushing lower, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Just push lower, just push forward. Give us that push and we're done. Um yeah, just give us that push, man. Nice, nice, nice. And this should hit take profit. Like this should hit the final take profit. Let's just make sure I'm recording. I am recording. Wow, this is such an uncomfortable setup. Holy shit. Yeah, well, all right, so maybe we want to see a tap of this 1 minute gap, and then price should go lower. Now, I'm gonna leave my stop at break even just because. But yeah, I really don't want to see us fucking going lower. Please don't tell me we have an SMT, bro. I'm sorry. I live in Brickell, by the way, in Brickell in Miami, so all the noise. But yeah, so we do have this order block over here, but I don't want to see us trade back there. Like, I just want to see us flush down. But stop is at break even already, so no matter what, like, we're gonna win, you know? Um, yeah, price really shouldn't be heading back over there. We should really just be pushing lower. Um, hmm. Yeah. I'm putting my take profit like just a little bit above the previous daily low. You know, sometimes it like edges the your target, edges that sell side liquidity and just like runs higher. So I'm gonna put it a little bit above it just in case. But this really should be fucking, like running lower. But yeah, hopefully we'll hit the take profit soon and we don't like reverse back. Um, you know, um, yeah, man. So this is the kind of situations where you're like starting to think about closing the trade early. But yeah, man, hopefully it doesn't happen. If this stops me out of break even, it will be so annoying. Like, honestly, bro. We do have this 5-minute order block. So, like, price should be, like, just going lower, man. Maybe we get a tap over here and then we run lower. But overall, yeah. So I'll just get back to you with whatever happens. All right. If price stops edging my fucking ass, bro, we might be hitting take profit.
Order
Let's
filled.
go, baby! Take profit smashed! Let's fucking go, baby! That's how you do it! 2 take profits in a row, 2 winning days in a row, baby. 1.1K on the account. So we have about 1.3K left. 1,250 bucks left. Let's go, baby. That's how you do it, baby. And you see how it edged like previous daily low? You see that? That's why sometimes I put my take profit just a little bit above or below like my target, because you see how it edged it, and now it's like, bro, you would have been stuck in this trade right now thinking about closing it. Oh, and you see, that's how you do it, baby. That's how you fucking do it. Well, so let me quickly recap the trade. So we had all this liquidity be swept over here. So you see all this liquidity just got ran. We tapped into an hourly fair value gap, was this candle. We put in an SMT over here, and then we got the 1 minute inversion, right? So then I took it on the inversion, and we almost got stopped out, as you can see. We almost got stopped out. But trade went perfectly in our direction. Now, on a funded account, so listen to this closely. On a funded account, I would have went break even, right? So on a funded account, I would have, after we inverse this 5 minute for value gap to the downside, I would have went break even. So over here, I would have went break even, and then it would have stopped me out at break even, and then would have dumped like a fucking, like what happened, right? So just know that you gotta have some discretion. So some people prefer like a mechanical way to manage your trade. Me, I have some discretion, right? So for example, in an eval account, I don't move my stop loss to break even at all, unless like we're already. So pretty much what happened was we got the move down, we got the retest of this area, right? We had a change in the state of delivery. What happened was we basically retraced back into OTE of the range. So you see how we retraced back into the OTE of the range, okay? And from there we had the dump. After we got the dump, after we basically broke those levels again, I moved my stop loss to break even. Um, so yeah, beautiful trade. Account is 51 in profit, $1,741 in profit. That's fucking amazing. And hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to pass the account, because I trade only 1 trade a day, so I'm gonna lock myself out actually. But yeah, so pretty much let me wait for the train to stop. So pretty much, hopefully we'll pass the account tomorrow. Worst case scenario, we get stopped out. The account will still be 51.2K in profit. So pretty much 1.2K in profit. But yeah, we're looking very, very good. We only need 1.3K to pass the account. So yeah, hopefully we'll do that tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then in 2 days. But it will happen this week. So this week, we're gonna pass the evaluation account. And yeah, awesome, perfect trade. Just see what I told you guys, how it's gonna edge it. I obviously know that. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. This was Eval to 10K day number fucking 2. Actually, day number 3, but I didn't record day number 2. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see my preface and follow this journey along the way. I have a Discord down below. It's called the 10K Club. Hopefully that everyone inside will be making 10K a month pretty soon. And yeah, it's completely for free, by the way. So feel free to join down below. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see my beautiful face on the screen once again. So thank you for watching, and peace out.